Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! So for today, we will discuss the calculator techniques for quotient and remainder. So first, we define kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng quotient and remainder. Lumalabas yung quotient and remainder if you have two numbers na i-divide mo. For example, the quotient is the number of times the divisor fits completely into a dividend, while the remainder is the leftover amount that cannot be evenly divided. So, explain natin further. Usually, ang ginagawa natin to get the quotient and remainder, we perform long division. Example, 11, gusto kong i-divide by 2. So, the question is, ano yung quotient and ano ang remainder? So, isipin muna natin, ilang 2 kasya sa 11 na whole number? So, if you think logically, the answer is 5. So, 5 multiply natin sa 2, the answer is 10. I-subtract natin sa 11, so meron tayong leftover na 1. So, yung 1 natin, mas mababa na sa 2, so hindi na natin siya further ma-divide, so mag-i-stop na tayo dyan. Okay, so ganyan yung long division. Mas malaking numero, mas mahaba talaga si long division. Now, yung 11, that is our dividend. Yung 2, that is our divisor. Yung 5, ito yung whole number na kasya, which is the quotient. And then yung 1, ito yung leftover after the division, yan naman yung remainder. So, in that way, makukuha natin yung quotient and remainder. Again, the answer is 5 and 1. So, the quotient is 5, the remainder is 1. Pero again, this is long division talaga. Mas malaking numero, mas mahaba pa yung magiging solution natin. So, don't worry. Again, this is your Caltech buddy. Magtuturo tayo ng calculator technique. So, makukuha natin easily both quotient and remainder gamit si Canon F789 SGA version 2 and again, also applicable sa version 1. So, huwag na tayo mag-long division. So, paano natin gagawin? So, this is our Caltech number 1. We just press apps. So, pindutin natin si apps. And then, on our calculator, this will be the display. Pindutin natin yung number 5. So, ayun, quotient and remainder. Lalabas, 5. Now, ano yung input natin sa quotient remainder? So, ang tamang arrangement should be dividend, divisor. So, yun yung tamang arrangement. So, the dividend is 11. Tama. The divisor is 2. So, parang ang nangyari dito, 11 i-divide po ng 2. So, instantly, lalabas na yung quotient and remainder. So, if we press equal sign, so we get the same result, 5. Quotient 5, remainder 1. O, mas madali na siya. Now, kahit gaano palaki pang numero ilagay natin, easily, we can get the quotient and remainder. For example, isip tayo random number na medyo malaki. 1,284. Tapos, gusto ko siyang i-divide by 3. So, 3. So, pag ginawa natin yan, lalabas yung quotient and remainder. So, the quotient is 428 and the remainder is 0. So, ibig sabihin, madidivide pala equally yung 1,284 by 3. So, the remainder is 0. Palitan natin, gawin natin 5 para merong remainder. So, 128 i-divide by 5. Now, ang lalabas dito, the quotient is 256. The remainder is 1. So, ganun kadali kumuha ng quotient and remainder gamit ang Canon F789 SGA version 2. Now, meron pa ako isang Caltech na alam. This is specifically for the remainder. O, bigay na natin lahat ng Caltech. So, you can press apps. And then, sa display, hanapin natin yung 6. So, apps 6. Ibig sabihin ng mod is modulo, which is just the same sa remainder, basta positive number. Okay, so remainder lang din yan. And then, ganun din yung input, dividend, divisor. So, 11, 2. So, 11 divided by 2, we're looking for the modulo or the remainder. So, dapat ang lalabas sa sagot, 1. And then, you'll see it na 1 nga yung lalabas kasi that is the correct remainder. So, I'm hoping may natutunan tayo again today sa calculator natin. So, again, this is your Caltech buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discuss, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your Caltech buddy, Math Made Easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!